Today is the day. We are finally going to deep dive into these most viral products. And this has been the most requested launch of the year. The Natasha Denona foundation and the concealer. We are going to be putting both of them to the ultimate test. They have gone absolutely viral on Instagram and TikTok. But you know me, I'm going to try it out and give you my 100% honest thoughts as always. So I'm going to be doing a full 8-hour wear test at the end of the video. So make sure you're sticking around. Let's get into it. First, let's break down these two products. Starting with the foundation. This is a medium buildable self-setting hybrid foundation. It's 88 AUD and the product is packed with high-tech ingredients like Japanese amino acid pigments, bamboo powder, and jasmine mother cells to even out the skin tone, balance oil, and reduce signs of aging. It also promises 18 hours of wear, and most importantly, it's formulated for all skin types to give a radiant finish without looking greasy. Now the HY-GLAM concealer really went viral. This is a groundbreaking innovation from Natasha Denona. You know why? Because its full performance formula also has skincare benefits. It promises to instantly brighten dark circles, reduce puffiness, and even blur fine lines over time. It's got a lightweight, creamy texture, and it is $51. And let's see how it holds up. Shall we? Before we get into application, I have already done my skin prep. So I've used a Quarterly serum, the Medicube Pink Peptide Serum, and for moisturizer, I'm using this Medicube cream. And I've also primed my face with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Blurring Primer. And for color correction, I've used the Huda Beauty 4 Filter Corrector. I love applying my concealer first, so we're going to be doing that. But first, let's see if this color actually suits me. This is the shade YN9. That's how it looks when it's wet. I'm using my brush and let's just blend out the bottom bit. And now with my finger, just tapping that out. Okay, that's looking like a great match, so I think we can go ahead. This feels slightly thicker than my Maybelline Fit Me, so I'm just going to use less product. Just going to tap it on the color correction and on any hyperpigmentation marks that I have. And I'm really hoping I don't look like a ghost. Can you see that coverage? Wow. So clearly you don't need a lot of product. So keep that in mind. This one is marketed to resist creasing, so I'm really impressed. We have such a concealer now, but does it actually work? Let's blend this out here. My skin tone is neutral, so this one is a great match. Look at that. Oh my god. Wow. Concealer is surely priced on the higher end, but with the amount that you'll need to use, this is gonna go on for a very long time. So just even out my eye out there. This has immediately brightened up my under eyes. Like, are you seeing that? Normally I have concealers that creep into my fine lines already, but this hasn't, and it just blended so easily like you saw. So I think we're on a winner with this one. And the shade that I am using is YN9. So if you're sort of my shade twin, you can keep this as reference and work from there. Now comes this highly anticipated foundation. I think this is the most requested product in a while, and I'm seeing literally everyone reviewing this. So I've just taken a pump, and that is the consistency. It's not too thick, not too thin. Let me do the swatch before anything else. I left my mirror down 1 second. And now let's blend that in. That just disappeared in my skin. Did you see that? So I think it's safe to say we're going to apply this all over the face. So I'm applying it from the inside like I always do. And again, you probably don't even need 1 pump. You'll probably need just half a pump. Like, look at the amount I've put on my face and look at how much product is still left. And the expiry on the box says 12 months from opening. Whoa. Wow, that coverage, even though it says medium, you're looking at the skin. This is going to be a perfect foundation for brides. I'll be doing a wear test at the end of the video, so we can make our final decision together there. And if you really want to try these products, I have a discount code with Natasha Denona. I'm affiliated with them. So if you make a purchase through my link below, I will earn some money. But again, I just put that back into my channel so that I can review more products for you. It's not a greasy kind of dewiness, you know what I mean? Where your face looks extremely oily. It's not giving me that vibe at all. First word that comes to my mind when I'm looking at my skin and the way it feels is comfortable. This looks absolutely gorgeous on the skin. I want to also see if this is going to oxidize or no, because right now it's looking like a perfect match. But honestly, look at that glow. Look at that finish. Like, I have textured skin over here, but it's not amplifying it. It's sort of, for me, it feels more like a natural but radiant finish. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to how long it wears on the skin. The skin just looks so radiant, so hydrated, and the shade match is really spot on as well. So like I do my reviews, I am not going to be setting my face with powder. I'll do a check-in with you at 3 hours and then one at 8. I'll also be filming a bit more, so I'll have a bit more makeup on the skin, so we can see how it actually looks. So I'll see you in 3 hours. All right, it's been about 3 hours now, and I wanted to give you a quick check-in. I have gone ahead and applied some contour, some blush because I'm filming. And honestly, the foundation and concealer looks beautiful on the skin. Like all foundations, it is still going into my smile lines. There is literally little to no creasing. Yes, I do have lines, but it's not like some of the other concealers that I've tried. It's given that radiant look. It hasn't gone oily at all, and I could blend my blush and contour beautifully on it. It still feels very bright and smooth and so comfortable, and my face is not even itching. It has given a blurred out look, but don't expect it to blur out everything. But so far I'm really impressed with how foundation is looking, but you'll hear my final thoughts in the next check-in, which will be at 8 hours. So I'll see you then. Okay guys, it's been a full 8 hours and let's get into the final results. I've gone to lunch, done some errands, did some filming as well. As you can see, I've got quite a bit of makeup on, and I haven't touched my face at all with a foundation brush or even with powder. So looking at the foundation up close now, there is slight separation in my smile lines. A bit of the concealer has moved into my fine lines, but not into my forehead lines, which is amazing. As you can see, it's given a beautiful sheen. I don't have much oiliness showing through, but there is no separation on the nose, on the chin, and around my textured area either. And the best part is that it still feels intact, feels natural, and not too overly glowy. For the concealer, I feel it is doing a great job. It has brightened the under eyes. It's covered up the darkness, including my color corrector. And with these two products, you just need to use a tiny bit. So I used half pump of the foundation, and you saw how much I used with the concealer. I love that it's keeping everything fresh. It looks natural, and there is slight creasing, but that could be eliminated with powder. So in my eyes, this is a huge win for Natasha Denona. I would even go ahead and say this is great for brides to be. And if you pair it with your concealer, you do not have to be worried at all. So as a final verdict, I will say that these two products are really worth the hype. The foundation not only looks luxurious, it makes you feel luxurious. It is infused with skincare, so you know you're getting the best of everything. And if you have like an important event, like I said, a bride to be, or you're going out somewhere, but you want that radiant and long wearing look, this is the foundation for you. And for concealer, I'm going to be saying that this is going to be my holy grail from now on. I've been in this industry for quite some time now, and I'm highly recommending this concealer. It's everything it claims to be: creamy, long lasting, non-creasing, though I did mention that it's creasing underneath my eyes so slightly, but that can be eliminated with powder. And the fact that it's all infused with skincare is such a huge benefit to all of us. I can't wait for you to try these products out, and don't forget you can get a discount by using my code, which I have put everything in the description. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good one. Bye bye.